Hi, my name is Jennifer Beckford and I'm the founder of Cuisine Supreme. I just wanted to share my experience with you. I'm working with V Roberts of Insight to Marketing. I first met V in January 2018 at a networking meeting. We didn't actually get the chance to chat, but we exchanged details, and within a couple of days I received an email from V with some free tips. I remember at the time thinking, there's something about her, I can't quite put my finger on it. Anyway, in August of that year, I took a series of courses. I took how to get better results on social media, followed by how to improve your branding, visibility and marketing, followed by a 6-month coaching experience that started in October. All of these courses have proved invaluable. Not only am I more focused, I am more confident. I've streamlined my company with the help of V, and of course I make more sales. In fact, in 2018, I more than doubled the amount of sales that I made in 2017. In this year, during the pandemic, using the tools that V has provided, I've not stopped working. Those tools have proved fruitful. V is a phenomenal woman, a mother of 4 who just wants to share her knowledge with you, and I'm glad that I've not looked back.